Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. So from today, practically we will be implementing React Three.js Fiber project. In today's tutorial, we will be implementing a boilerplate code. Actually, what we will do for today's tutorial, we will be splitting up our this topic of building boilerplate code into two different tutorials. The first one, we will be implementing the boilerplate code, and the second one, we will be understanding how it works and what are the support libraries we need for that. So let me move forward to my, I had created a folder React 3 Fiber in which we will be needing, first of all, to create, we need a directory that is React 3 Fiber boilerplate code. New folder, I'll be creating a directory with the same name exactly. Let's open up that directory in my Visual Code. I will go on to open folder and it's available in my desktop. Then here is React 3 Fiber and inside that one React 3 boilerplate. So here we are. So I will trust this author because I had created it manually using UI. The process is same for Windows as well. You guys will be using same process. So let's move forward and try to create a new file called package.json file. So we will be moving forward. We will be creating new file, package.json file. Come here, simply copy the script for package.json file. In case you guys need to understand this kind of thing, 1.2.0.3, what is this, body parser, what is that, and all that stuff, let's say scripts and everything, all we had explained in our React JS series, React Hook series and NPM series. I will be patching that in the same video. You can go on and check those in detail how it works. Okay, simply we have to create a source folder, and inside that we have to create index.jsx file. So let me create source, and inside that source folder I will be creating index.jsx file. You can use JS also and JSX also, up to you, whatever you want to use. Simply copy paste the code of index.js, and simply inside the source folder I will create style.css file as well. Style.css file, and let me copy CSS and paste it here and hit save. And let's go back. In the public folder I will be creating index.html. For creation of another folder I should click here and then folder that will call public, and inside public folder, public, public, yeah, exactly, the spells are same. So I will create inside this public folder another file, index.html. Let me copy this one and paste it here, and that's it. Here my public, source and index.html is ready. So my boilerplate code is ready. What I have to do, I have to simply do npm install and npm start. Here we had open a terminal. What we will do in this terminal is simply we have to do npm install. Npm install I'll do, I had to install all the dependencies, those are available. So it's saying access issue. I'll be using for this issue sudo npm install instead of npm install. I'll be giving up my machine password. In case you are facing this kind of issue, you can add sudo in your Linux, Unix, or you can say in your Mac machine as well. It will consume some time because it need to install a lot of dependencies, and there are some sort of hierarchical dependencies, the child dependencies as well. Let's say a dependency that is React Three.js Fiber that is depending upon Three.js as well. So first of all it will install Three.js, then React Three.js, accordingly the hierarchical dependencies. That's why it will consume some time. So let's wait and let's see how much time it will consume for the installation of this, all the dependencies.
2 hours later.
We are almost near. Yeah, here we go. You guys can see we had installed all the dependencies. If I go to nodes module folder, I can see a lot of dependencies available here. Let's say I can go to Three.js. Let's check Three.js is installed or no. RS and T, it's too many. So see, 3 is here installed already. So this is a part of React Three.js Fiber. We will be using Three.js. So let's come back here. I'll say sudo npm start. It will start up a project for me. It will pop up a browser for you automatically. In case the project is not popping up, a browser cannot find module AGV. Sometimes these kind of issues will happen. What you have to do is you have to simply install these things, sudo npm install AGV, and it's installed. Let's go ahead and try to start up our server. So the browser will pop up automatically. In case the browser is not popping up, you can manually take localhost and your port number. In my case, it's 3000. In your case, it will be written here also. You can go on to your terminal and check what port you are running on. So it's simply a project, a cube on the camera. A simple cube is rendering or box is rendering without any mesh, and there is no interactivity until now we had implemented. We will be for sure implementing that also, and we will be understanding how React is working here in the coming tutorial. So I hope you guys understand it. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.